All right, so this is a Colt Lightning small frame. I'm going to show everybody how to load it. It's not like most 22s that either load from the top here, or some, I think some old Marlins load through a loading gate. This one has its own special loading gate. If you come real close, with the action all the way forwards, this metal block pops out, and you load them through the side right there. So this rifle either shoots 22 longs or 22 shorts. 22 long rifle, if I'm correct, didn't exist yet, or this one just simply wasn't chambered for it. Today we're shooting 22 shorts. Oops. And sometimes they do that. They just spit themselves back out. Alrighty.